That right there, that's what I'm talking about.
Show me some love.
Gotta touch up, honey. Face is calling for it. Y'all, we got the unit installed, and today I'm going to be reviewing the new Outre Melted Hairline unit in Harper, and I have it in the color DRFF2/Cherry Red. So before we jump into today's review, I do want to say shout out to Carrie. Today is in collab with her. I'll put a photo of her right here, as well as her Instagram page as well. I started following Carrie back when she was doing like her makeup photos and stuff. Well, I think when her name was Makeup by Carrie on Instagram. But yeah, that's when I started following her, and now we're both doing the wig reviews here on YouTube. And I was super excited when she reached out to me to do this fall series. I was like, of course. I've never collabed with any other YouTuber, so I was really excited to do that. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I'm really excited to do it. And make sure after you finish watching this video that you go and check out her video as well. I'll put it in my description bar so you can make sure you check that out. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into the review, shall we? It's Harper. Okay, so first things first, this color is freaking bomb. I love cherry red. I don't think I've tried their cherry red before, and this is giving me all type of feels. The color, how it has been placed throughout this unit is perfection. I love the little highlight pieces of red right in the front just to give it a little more lift. It's really, really cute. The lace, she blended very, very well. I did go in and put some powder on my lace before I glued it down, before I sprayed it down, and it definitely helped it blend in a lot better. Now you do see that I have this kind of 90s swoop bang going on right here, and it was inspired by the stock card because that's what made me want to get the color, right? She looks so cute right here, the model in the cherry red color. I was like, oh my god, that really makes me want to try that unit. So I wanted to try the little bang action. Hers does have a little bit more body lift, like right there in the front, to give a little bit more attention to the little highlight red piece in the front. However, if you saw when I was installing this unit, your girl kind of had a little boo-boo right here on her face, so I had to cover up my little band-aid, but we're making it work. She looks cute just like this. Okay, I'm gonna jump into the comments because I started off with a positive note. Okay, I gave lots of prop to the color. The color is, she's perfect. The only con, honestly, that I noticed about the unit was the shading. The shading was absolutely atrocious. It was just like way too much shading for me. I just didn't expect that much to be coming out of the unit. Especially like their melted hairline units have been bomb to me lately. I don't really recall any of their previous melted hairline units shedding that much. I'm pretty sure they shedded some, but none that I can actually remember like standing out like that. But this one was, it was a tad bit more than I expected. I just wasn't thinking that much hair was gonna come out of it, but that's really like the only really thing that bothered me. The curls, they're okay. I mean, I combed them out too, just because it was looking a little janky. That just wasn't really working for me. I mean, I would prefer for the curls to look like how they look on these models here, but you know, I mean, it's still flowing. It's still flowing. I'd still wear it. I do wish that the unit had like a little bit more like body height and volume, just a little bit. It's real bouncy. The hair isn't too shiny. It's not like no baby doll hair textured hair. It's definitely pretty dull, but still has a nice little sheen to it to make it look like it's healthy. That's really like the only little bad stuff that kind of stood out to me. Pros though, the freaking color is amazing. The lace was perfect. Sizing of the cap is perfect as well. I really like the parting space. It was actually pretty visible. I did go in and add just a little bit of powder because of my cap showing through. Had my cap not been like that, I probably wouldn't even have had to use any makeup there. Also with the fact that after I glued it down, I didn't have to go back in over my lace with any powder. It blends in perfect. I'll give you guys like an up close view of it as well. Forgot. I know what I wanted to talk about because I got it hidden over here. That's why I forgot. The lace, as far as the what do you call this, the measurements for the actual hairline, it is long. Okay, she is extended. The lace over here was like coming down that I actually had to like tuck it after I cut it. They gave you a lot of inches to work with here, so if you need more, like if you ever had an issue with it like coming up short, you should not have that problem with this unit because it is long. I was like, dang, I'm gonna have to cut some of the hair off, and I did. Now the parting space is only meant for you to wear on the left hand side. You cannot rotate it or anything and put it on the right or in the middle. If you did, it's probably gonna look a little janky because of how the unit is made. But that pretty much sums up how I felt about the unit. Rating wise, I'm going to give her a good 8 out of 10. I don't see that many issues with it. Like the shedding wasn't that bad that I would have to take off too many points for it. But a good 8.5 out of 10. It's a really cute unit. Definitely one I'll keep in my collection. Definitely one I will wear out. I recommend trying her. She comes in a whole bunch of other colors as well. So yes ma'am. And I got this unit from Elevate Styles. She's also a tad bit tangly too. I'm feeling some tangles as well. If you have any other questions about the unit, make sure you just leave in my comment section below and I'll answer it for you. But I think I pretty much touched on everything. This unit ranges, actually, I didn't tell y'all the price. Let me tell you the price. Miss Harper is ranging at $38 on Elevate Style. So it's probably going to be ranging around $35 to $40, depending on what site you decide to purchase her from or if you go inside of a beauty supply store. So pretty good price for a really good, almost, I feel like that's a really good price for a unit that looks pretty much realistic and natural. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out Carrie's video as well. I'll put it right here in my description bar below. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.